Meet the one bowl set your kitchen has been missing. This 26-piece mixing bowl set comes with airtight lids to keep food fresh and mess-free. Perfect for prep, mixing, storing, and serving. Durable, space-saving, and incredibly versatile. One smart set to endless kitchen possibilities. Upgrade your kitchen with this elegant soap dispenser set, designed to bring style and function together. Crafted with a premium finish, it keeps dish soap, hand soap, and sponges neatly organized. Durable, refillable, and easy to use, no more cluttered countertops. A perfect blend of beauty and practicality for any modern kitchen. Available. Grilling just got safer with the silicone grill mate. Heat-resistant, non-slip, and flexible, it protects your hands and gives total control. A must-have on Amazon. Chop, slice, and grate in seconds with the Mueller chopper slicer and grater. This all-in-one kitchen tool saves time and effort on every meal. Sharp blades, easy press design, and simple cleanup. Perfect for vegetables, fruits, and cheese. Watch, shop, and grab this top Amazon deal today for a faster, cleaner, smarter cooking experience at home. Amazon Home Organizer stainless steel clean dirty magnet that slides smoothly, grips securely, and protects surfaces rust-free. We're gonna shred this chicken breast that I just baked, and it is gonna be amazing. I've tried multiple different chicken shredder methods, and honestly, this is one of my most favorites because you just squeeze it in between these two plates, and then you twist back and forth, and boom, when it opens up, look at the amazing chicken you have. It can be shredded as much as you want, really, so whatever thickness or whatever you guys want, you can shred it up and just keep on doing it until it grinds up really, really small. Definitely an awesome time saver in the kitchen, so 100% recommend. This thermometer is ultra fast and accurate. It has a backlight large LCD display. It's incredibly useful in the kitchen and with grilling. It has a magnetic bounce, so it's always handy, and has a specific temperature guide for fish, pork, chicken, and beef. I would highly recommend it at this price point. Happy cooking! I just got this defrosting tray for Christmas, and today was the first time that I used it. I had fish in the freezer, and even after setting it in the fridge overnight, it was still a little frozen at lunch. I put it on this tray, left it for about 15 to 20 minutes, flipped it over for another 20 minutes, and it was fully thawed. There was no mess, no microwave needed, and the tray kept the water on the board, so it's super easy to clean up. It's made from premium grade aluminum, so it helps store food naturally and quickly. It's super easy to use, just set it down, let it thaw, and it's ready to cook. Looking for an amazing door lock at a great price? This smart, durable lock offers strong security with smooth, reliable performance, easy to install, sleek in design, and built to last. Upgrade your home's security today without overspending. Hey, I installed this back at a thief shower caddy set, and I'm loving how organized my bathroom looks now. I pick up because I want an easy to storage without drilling into my walls. Here's what the game changer. It's no drills needed. It uses a strong adhesive that holds up to 40 pounds. Built to last, made for Rosborough stainless steel, and a spacious 8-under saddle. Overall, I highly recommend this for if you want as sleek as storage that's simple to install and built to last. How's it going, guys? I wanted to do a quick review of this mesh honeycomb laundry bag. So compared to other laundry bags I've had, this one feels super thick and durable. The zipper's nice quality. It closes easily. It's got this little handle here for the zipper. And I think it just does a really good job allowing the water to get in and clean the clothes while feeling super durable. I've got this little hook in here that sometimes can damage clothes, so this keeps my clothes safe. I have been using this collapsible drying rack for years and years, and I love it so much. It's definitely a staple when I do my laundry so that I can hang dry all of my kids' shorts or their pants or even shirts, and I just love that when I'm not using this, I can easily close it down and put it away. Introducing the Blink Mini Compact Indoor Plug-in Smart Security Camera. Easy setup with included accessories. Enjoy 1080p HD video quality in a plug-in design. Monitor your home from your smartphone with night vision and two-way audio capabilities. The Blink Mini, your smart home security solution. This ice machine makes the perfect Sonic-like ice. All you have to do is fill it with water, put the basket in and turn it on, and you're ready to go. The machine itself is pretty quiet, as you can tell, and I batch make ice for the week, so once the basket fills up, I transfer them into little freezer baggies and put them in my freezer. You don't have to do this, that's just my preference. Meet the portable Sink Your Perfect solution for cleaning anywhere. Compact, lightweight, and easy to set up in seconds. Ideal for outdoor use, travel, garages, or small spaces. Clean, convenient, and practical wherever you need it. Amazon Smart Lights for Black Friday. This sleek and modern-looking floor lamp that's 1.35 meters tall and this LED strip light that's 5 meters long and can be cut to size are both fully Matter compatible with Google Home, Alexa, Apple Home, and more. It can also be fully controlled by an app with custom scheduling with a large variety of colors and full-range dimming to create tons of DIY scenes and routines for every scenario. Just want to give you a quick look at this 48-inch snow shovel with wheels. I made one pass there to get to the mailbox. This thing makes a huge pass. It's awesome. You can do the driveway in no time. Just push the snow. You could angle this blade in either direction you want. Push it right off to the side of the driveway. Just look at how slick that is. It's a big pass. Do you want to push the snow all the way off the driveway? All you have to do is use this and then lift when you get to the edge of the driveway so you can push it out into the grass without tearing up your grass. This thing is perfect. Keep your floors and windows spotless with the Swiffer Sweeper 2-in-1 mop. Dry sweeping traps dust and hair, while wet mopping tackles tough messes. Lightweight, easy to use, and perfect for everyday cleaning. Find it now on Sheet Clean Freak's Amazon page. So this is my review of the Ember temperature-controlled smart mug. If you're like me and have to put your coffee in the microwave a million times to get through it hot, then you need to consider getting this mug. So I just keep mine charging on the plate there, and then when I'm ready to use it, I fill it with my coffee, I go into the app, and I can set it to what temperature I want my coffee to be kept at. Battery life's pretty good. You have about 80 to 90 minutes once you take it off that plate and start using it. So I'm really happy with this purchase. It saves me from having to use the Nicorade, Whole Bunch of Primes, used to cake one time I wanted to give it a try. Super easy to use. You just press that button to make the bristles come out. They're super soft. My dog likes it. He always comes when he hears me press the button. So you just press that button, have the bristles come out, then you just start brushing them all over. Then you'll quickly see all that hair just start collecting in the brush. And then when you're done with the brush, it's super easy to get rid of all that hair. You just press that button on the rug, the bristles will go in, and then the hair just really go easy into a pile that you can easily scoop out and throw away. I use it on my other dog as well because she is really big with her shedding, so same thing. I just find this to be super helpful. It just helps to get rid of some of that hair that was gonna just shed and end up all over your floor. So I felt like for the price, this is a really good purchase and I highly recommend it. Laundry day just got easier. Amazon's Home Hacks 2-pack large laundry baskets feature reinforced handles, breathable mesh design, and a collapsible frame that saves space when not in use. Durable, lightweight, and perfect for sorting lights and darks. Transform your laundry routine today. Home Hacks, smart solutions for every home. I don't know what it is, but I just think the packaging looks so cool. And these magnets, they're seriously strong. You can see here, I'm actually a little nervous. They're going to pinch my fingers, but you got excellent flames of working. Just like, there you go. There you go. And now, pick what you want it. And then it moves around easily. We use them to hang up signs in the garage, but they're versatile enough for all kinds of uses around the house or workshop. Struggling with accidental food spills and the hassle of cleaning the oven, non-stick, reusable oven liners are the perfect solution. Heat-resistant, up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. Designed for easy placement, over the grill in electric ovens and on the bottom in gas ovens. Spills stay contained on the mat, making cleanup effortless, whether by hand or in the dishwasher. Easily cut to fit any shape with a standard pair of scissors. These liners are versatile, suitable for microwave ovens and even outdoor barbecue grills. Lightweight and durable, they're safer to clean than the fragile, heavy glass trays. A must-have addition to any kitchen. No more mugs of tea or coffee going cold with this mug warmer on your desk. It is made of plastic and it powers using a wall socket. Tap in the power button will switches on, and the button on the bottom right is what most people would use as it can toggle between candle, coffee, milk, and tea settings. But if you find that you want more control over the temperature, then tap in the top right power button allows you to manually set the temperature, and this ranges from 40 degrees up to 80. It has an auto shut off, so if you do forget to turn it off, then you can set this from 1 hour up to 12 hours. Do not touch the plate as this does get very, very hot. We have an LED light on the front, so you know at a glance if it is on or not. This can be turned off by holding down the timer button. There's also a reminder button for drinking water, which I've never personally used, especially when I'm nailing 20 gallons of tea, but the option is there. The flatter the bottom of your mug, the better results you will get, but overall, it does a job extremely well.